watching my channel, The Kiddos. And today's question is, should student of my age have a social media account? And the main points, do elders keep in mind while posting anything on social media that the kids gonna see it? Let's check out.
My thinking is that social media account they should have, but there should be some limitation also.
Children in school or maybe in lower school should not have.
I personally am against social media because yes, for that point that it molds your point of view in a wrong way, it should have been a better thing if it doesn't imposes their thought on you.
डेफिनेटली होना चाहिए बट डिपेंड करता है कि आप उसे यूज़ कैसे कर रहे हो.
Sure, if you can maintain the decorum and sensitiveness of that platform, you should be there.
एक्चुअली क्या है ना, आजकल का जो क्राइम जो इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो सोशल मीडिया विद ऑब्जर्वेशन में ही होना चाहिए पेरेंट्स के. बाकी आइसोलेट बच्चों को अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए.
शायद हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इस चीज़ से.
Interaction is important, so it is necessary to have an account.
Obviously, even I am on social media, so you should also.
No, I don't think so. Actually, the children are mean for studying and they should focus on their study initially. And later on, 5 years, 6 years down the line, they'll have to make some social media account. But initially, I don't think students of class 10, 12 should have their social media account.
Yeah, definitely they should have a social media account because it actually allows you to connect to a large type of audiences. And today in the world we are living, it is really important that you are social amongst everybody.
Do you take in mind that when you post something, we gonna see it?
Everybody will see it, but I think yes, at your age you would be posting like the channels which are of your interest. So I think yes, that should be fine.
Yeah, always, all the time, because I got kids like you in my family as well.
Yeah, obviously I keep in mind that not only youth but every person who is like intelligent enough to understand the difference between the wrong and the right should keep in mind while posting it. Even if I post something which is which I'm understanding correctly and some other person is not understanding in that manner, then I should take the charge to explain it in the correct manner to the concerned person. That's what I think about it.
We should be totally responsible for whatever content we are posting, and we know that there are people around and they're going to be influenced by us. So it's not only their responsibility but ours as well.
From household to household it depends. तो मेरे घर में तो दे आर वेरी ओपन अबाउट सो मेनी थिंग्स. तो मेरे पे इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा कभी. नेगेटिव हमेशा पॉजिटिव पे ही इफेक्ट पड़ा है मेरे घर.
Yes, youth gonna see it, definitely yes. And the impact nowadays are more on a bad side than on a positive side. See, having these kind of accounts is both blessing and disguise.
Parents should take care of it, whether they are doing the right use of it or the wrong use of it. There should be a watch for them.
तो सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हम क्या पोस्ट कर रहे हैं और इसके क्या इम्पैक्ट होंगे. प्रोस एंड कॉन्स देखने के बाद ही हमें पोस्ट करनी चाहिए.
There must be some restriction, I think, because adults they have different feelings, different agenda. So kids may or may not see that. So few of the times some restrictions must be available.
क्योंकि बच्चों में क्या होता है कि उन्हें समझ नहीं होता है कि एक्चुअली उन्हें क्या पोस्ट करना है और क्या नहीं पोस्ट करना है. क्योंकि सिंपली लाइक दबा देना, क्यों लाइक दबा रहे हैं उन्हें पता नहीं होता.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स समथिंग, अगर मैं अपनी तरफ से कर रही हूँ तो इट्स समथिंग कि व्हाट आई वांट टू पोस्ट एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू पुट थ्रू माय फ्रेंड्स, नॉट कि कोई और देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा है. इट डज नॉट मैटर अ लॉट.
Elders should keep in mind that what are they posting and the youngsters would have a look at it. So they should keep this in mind.
अब वो कुछ भी पोस्ट करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे तो फर्क तो पड़ेगा ही पेरेंट्स से, और हम कुछ गलत पोस्ट करेंगे वो देखेंगे तो उन्हें भी इफेक्ट पड़ेगा.
इफ़ेक्ट तो ज़रूर पड़ेगा. उन्हें करना भी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि अगर वो करेंगे तो हमें लगेगा हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे, और अगर वो करते हैं तो हमें उस पर हमारे पे इफ़ेक्ट तो ज़रूर पड़ेगा क्योंकि अगर बड़े करते हैं तो छोटे तो ज़रूर करते हैं.